Well, here we are again. Well, it's been a while. It's been a few days. I think about 5 or 6 since my last video. Of course, I've got my little buddy down here. Just give me a bad time. If you look at my workbench, it's empty. The computer is not on it. Does not mean it's ready to go. It isn't. I did forget to order one more thing. It was very important. It was called the drive caddies, which I thought I had ordered. Oh, now he wants to get it. All right. Oh, no. It's the drive caddies that I thought I had ordered, but apparently I hadn't for some reason. I was looking at them and I didn't do it. So now I have another delay in putting this computer together. So far I have, actually Ron came back from the Azores the other day, and so I told him, I said, I can't even see the panel wiring on that board. I said, I see where they're supposed to connect, but I can't get in there to connect them because I can't see the board. And even though he's a year older than I am, I'm 67, he's 68, he's got better eyes than I've got. He's got better eyesight. So he was able to see them, and got them plugged in. I only had I think 4 wires to plug in, is all that was left. I found all the others, but there was 4 of them I couldn't get in there. So anyhow, got all those in there, and all I gotta do is plug the video card in, or graphics card in, and I don't know. Anyhow, but I'll put it together then. But I've been busy around here anyway. I've had to cut trees back. I've had to prune some more fruit trees back and that sort of stuff. But and unfortunately, Anaya was here but had to go early. Had to go back home early. She was going to a wedding shower for somebody. I don't know who it was. Anyhow, but so it's just been me and Chubby. Hi, Chubby. You, me, and the cats. It's not that I don't. It's not that I don't have enough projects. I got projects everywhere around here. It's just that just getting back into all these things. At least right now, the weather's nice now here. I mean, it's no longer in the 90s. I mean, we're in the 70s, high 70s right now. It's like 75, I think. But anyhow, it's been better. Anyhow, but you know what they say, procrastination is a thief of time, and boy do I rob time blind sometimes. So anyway, just want to give you a heads up why I'm not working on that computer yet. I've got a delay, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do over here yet, but oh great, now I've got the cat that showed up. Something's going on here most of the time, so then my brothers come back, so we're going back and forth, and the cat's moving my camera. Oh, here we go there. Queenie, stop it. Ah, she moved me out of the way again. Alright, here we go again. But I don't do Gabby videos anyway, so I sort of run out of things to say. Unless, of course, you want me to get me on my personal life, and that would take me forever, so I'm not going to do that. It'd be pretty boring after all, I mean, So, anyhow, looks like, well, of course you can see Flash Gordon there, the Tunnel of Terror. And that was the old one. That was the one with Buster Crabbe for Flash Gordon. Talking about old. Oh, here goes the cat again. She's moving my camera again. Oh, there she goes. Oh, here she goes. Queenie! Stop! That's the problem. I have a cat that's in heat right now, and she has to run into everything. And you would think she'd quit all that. She's like 13 years old. But anyhow, here I am just jabbering away about nothing. Okay, that's about it, I guess. And Chubby, well, let's see. Well, I do have this other thing. Anyway, I have this meter that was in pretty good shape, but unfortunately, the probes I have for it, ends broke off. So right now the wires are just shoved in there with the thing, so I'm gonna have to redo that. And what I've got is, I've got new banana plugs that'll fit that. So, but it works pretty well. I mean, it goes through and does everything. I mean, the digital display works for all that. And no, you cannot have the meter. It's not yours. I told you that before. It's not a chew toy. Going for the cat. Oh, here we go again. Oh, great. Now we're being pushed again. All right. Cat's getting pushy. Let's look. That's good. Look. Queenie, what are you doing down there? Okay. Now, you guys, kiss and make up. All right. Anyhow, bark, 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 bark. Anyhow, whoop. Oh, I'm not going that way. Queenie's saying, what? Now she's rubbing against the shoes. All right. That's it.